In this video, I'll be teaching you how to play the Wordle game in Shardeum Testnet. If you haven't already joined Shardeum, you can check the link in the description below to get started. To play this Wordle game, you're basically starting with a random 5-letter word that is related to crypto. It is from your first guess that you start to get hints to narrow down your options till you finally hit the right word. When you guess a word, the letters of the word will be color-coded. When the color of a letter is green, it means that letter exists in the right word that you're looking for, and it is also in the correct position in that word. When a letter is coded in yellow, it means that letter exists in the right word that you're looking for, but it is in the wrong position. And when a letter is coded in gray, it means the letter does not exist in the right word that you're looking for. Alright, in this example, let's say we're starting our random guess with the word PONZI, PONZI. Tap on level up and go to your Metamast wallet to approve the transaction. For this transaction, you'll be needing some SHM tokens, which you can get for free in the Discord server for SHM faucets. I'll leave a link to that Discord server in the description of this video. You can check that out. All right, so we'll wait and see what color codes will be returned for this guess. As you can see, this is a completely wrong guess because all the letters are gray. So we want to make sure that none of these letters is repeated in our next guess. And so let's try the word BYTES, bytes, and see if that works. Alright, and in this guess, we got only one letter correctly, which is letter E, but it's also in the wrong position because it's yellow. So we must make sure our next guess contains the letter E, but also we must make sure the letter E does not occur in the fourth position in that word. So let's try out the word HEDGE, hedge. Notice how we carefully chose a word that contains the letter E, but that letter E is not in the fourth position. Confirm the transaction also. Okay, we can now confirm that the letter E actually is supposed to be in the last position, the fifth position in that word. Okay, so we try another guess that has letter E in the last position in the word. So let's try out CURVE. Notice how E is the last letter in this word, and also we avoided using any of the letters that has been previously grayed out. Confirm the transaction and wait for the results. Okay, perfecto. So we got the word curve correctly. So I hope you have learned how to play the Wordle game from this short tutorial. For the remaining 2 level ups, just tap on level up and you don't have to fill in any other word to complete this level. Okay, so after leveling up, just reset the game and do it 4 more times and then you'll be done with this level. Okay, so that's about it for Wordle game. If you have any questions, drop your questions in the comment section, and you can check in the description for all useful information, links, and all that. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like my content. And I'll see you in the next video.